Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. How y'all doing? Welcome to Crazy Quilt Friday. It's a weird one. Weird, not weird. It's not weird. Nothing's weird. It's crazy, right? I'm going to make a boho bag out of these that I did 5 years ago when I was filming my Let's Make a Crazy Quilt series. I will link to that video right there. And this is from Cricut. I thought that would look good there. I ain't got time. Ain't nobody got time to be decorating this whole thing. It don't need it. Right? We could put some rhinestones or something. Okay, this is a collar off of a jacket. I'm going to put it up here to make it a little longer. Then that same jacket, I'm going to use this as the back. And we're going to figure out a pocket that fits a phone there. And then this part might be the flap. I don't want too big of a flap because I don't want it hiding this. But I thought somehow I could incorporate this on the flap. See what I'm saying there? So, first step is to simply sew this on here, and then I'm going to hand sew this on here. And what is that? What is that? It is something I never would have thought to bother with. It's in the seam. Oh, good grief. It doesn't matter. Just ignore it, Rebecca. Flip it this way. Okay. Now it's down here. No. Anyway. This should be fairly square, so I could turn it any way I wanted. Hey. Hey. Look at that. Nope, still. About like that. Me, who says it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to sew this on. I'm going to sew this on. I'm going to figure out, I'm going to cut this to size for the back, and I'm going to figure out how to put this on. And I need to figure a pocket. A pocket. Okay. That will be next. Okay, this is where I'm at. I cut the back. I made a pocket lace. I have to sew this down. It's going to go right there. I got this sewed down, and I got this sewed onto there. So the next thing after I get the pocket sewn is the fringe. This was a leather skirt from Goodwill that I gladly demolished. And you have to sew them this way. So I'll take it to the sewing machine. I'll start here, and they lay this way because when you flip them, then they're hanging down. I think these are about 9 inches because that's what I could do with the length of the skirt, cut in half. So I just went with that. And I'm just going to sew like that. So when we get that done, I shall return. That's a threat and a promise. Okay, we are moving right along here. Have our pocket on the back. We have a fringe on the front. Now, I don't know if I want anything else here. You know what? I have to do the flap. So, where are my scissors? Okay, this was the sleeve cap. So I'm going to somehow round this off. Like so. It'll be probably like that. This is going to be the lining. So let me trim this. Is that about right? Gotta make it kind of the same. Okay. Situation normal. Is it close enough? Is it close enough? I don't know. Okay. We're just going to go with it. So I will trace this pattern onto here, onto here. Like so. And I have some beads over there I might use. So let me do this. Then I'm going to play around a bit with it and I will let you know what I decide. Okay, here's the flap. This was the beaded stuff I was talking about. This was a piece off of this. That's a pin. I don't know that I could actually sew that on without just pinning it. But this was trim too. I really like this trim. I'll be sad when it's all gone. So sad. But this will get sewn on here like this so that it will flip up like that. So that's my next step. Okay, got this sewed onto there so it will flip. Now we need to take that up like that. Lay this like this. What is that pattern called? You see it on wallpaper all the time. Yeah, let me know. Let me know what that is. I'm going to pin the four corners first, like Tracy Myers taught me to. And go to her channel and look up her boho bags if you want a step-by-step. I'm sorry I could not film a step-by-step with this. It takes too long. I'm too lazy. Barely able to get it like I had it. Try to get one pin in here between the fringes. Okay, so now I'm going to sew all the way around 2 times for extra strength. Make sure those beads are inside. You don't want to be catching them beads in the edge. So once again, I got ahead of myself. I sewed it all together, and now I did the strap, and I just pieced this fabric with this back fabric. 3-inch strips, sew them together, turn them right side out. But I forgot to measure for the lining. So I did the best I could, 10 by 12. So I hope it fits. If not, I guess I can tweak it a little. I need to put a pocket on here and the magnetic clasp. So when I get that done, oh, and I have to sew these on. So anyways, that's what we're doing. I hope that's not too wide, but I think it'll be okay. That'll teach me. That'll teach me to do my lining fabric at the same time as the front. At least get it cut out. Okay. Okay, so this wasn't too painful. I got the magnetic clasps in. I got the pocket sewed on. Now all I have to do is sew these 2 seams, leave the bottom open, and then tuck my bag in, right, so it's right sides together, and then sew all the way around here, and then I will show you when I get that done. Okay, she's done. What do you think? I'm not sure I need that, but I might just leave it because it's already there. Pocket. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So here's the deal. Thinking about going ahead and having a sale on the bags, but I need your opinion because I don't know how I want to do it. Should I do a live stream and sell them from the live stream? Should I do a live stream and take orders, as in, you know, have people email me? Well, what would be the point? No. Okay. Should I do a live stream and sell them that way? Or should I do a video and have people order them? Or should I just put them on my Facebook page? Not my group page, my business page. So tell me what you would like to see. And then, I don't know how to price them. I mean, you just watched me make this one, so you know what goes into it. yeah, I need some help. So let me know in the comments best way to sell these, and also be on the lookout for a fabric release very soon. So thank you for watching. I will see you later. I need to go sit down now.